This project is entitled The Acquisition of Transferable Skills by University Students, a Gender Approach. And it was presented at the Edulearn conference in 2012. This time it's Julio Carmona who presents it. The creation of the European higher education area has brought changes in the teaching methods used in university education that encourage students to participate more in their learning process. The prospect for the future in the professional world requires this new type of education. Nowadays, companies demand multi-skilled and flexible professionals capable of working in a team and retaining, at the same time, a certain level of autonomy at work that enables them to make decisions on their own. All of this is part of the so-called transferable skills. In light of these objectives, we put forward the following research questions. Are there differences as a function of gender in the development of transferable skills of students taking different modules? Do male students develop certain transferable skills better than female students? Are there differences between males and females regarding the number of hours spent of independent learning? Students' participation in the teaching learning process is essential within the new higher education context. Because this new educational project not only tries to pass on content and specific knowledge, but also a set of skills and abilities that can be used in different types of jobs and to solve specific problems in the professional world. In this sense, transferable skills are generic competencies since they are used in different types of activities. However, they are also practical competencies, that is, skills that attempt to solve particular problems in the world of work. The studies about the problem that transferable skills and learning process may bring about do not deal particularly with skills or difficulties in regard to the gender of the student. However, among the several factors pointed out by the specialist, such as a certain socio-cultural environment and the social, cognitive, emotional, or cultural interactions of the students, this may have an impact on the teaching-learning process. Research on co-educational schooling for children and teenagers point out that all individuals, boys, girls, and teenagers of both sexes should be taught knowledge, values, and attitudes that boost the necessary skills so that each of them, regardless of their sex, can integrate them into their personality. Sanchez Guzman, quoting Le Boterf, believes that a competency does not lie in the resources that are activated, but in the mobilization of those resources itself. Lazard points out that there are links between disciplines, skills, and transferable skills that are activated within the disciplines and deployed across different learning contexts, as well as life experiences. Perrenot had already argued that both sets of skills, discipline and transferable, are closely linked, since the transferable skills are in the intersection of disciplines, where thought processes are activated that can be transferred from one area to another, and including social, cognitive, emotional, cultural, and psychomotor interactions of the students and the reality around them. The objective of this study is to find out if there are differences in relation to sex regarding the acquisition of skills in different social science modules. We have examined the variables, transferable skills, and students' effort, number of hours of independent learning. It has been carried out during the academic year 2011-2012, and it is part of a more ambitious project about higher education teaching on which we are working since 2006. A total of 364 students took part in the study. 38.7% were men and 61.3% were women. Their average age was 22.17 years, being the minimum age 18 and the maximum age 46 years. For the methods used, results and conclusions, I will see you in the second part of this presentation.